5 2014 Ford Fusion Transmission 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. Ford Transmission Cable End Replacement. Is your Ford's shifting feeling a bit off, or are you struggling to engage gears smoothly? Don't let a worn transmission cable end compromise your drive. Our premium replacement connector is engineered for a perfect OEM spec fit on your Ford Fusion, Taurus, Edge, and Lincoln models from 2013 to 2020. Part No. CV61-7C445, AA, KV6Z, 7K340, A, DG9Z, 7S004, Crafted from high-quality, durable ABS, this selector cable end meets or exceeds original standards, ensuring reliable, long-lasting performance. Replacing this common wear item will immediately restore that crisp, precise shifting feel, enhancing both your driving experience and safety. Installation is a breeze. A direct, clip-in replacement means no complex procedures. Drive with confidence, knowing you have a rigorously tested, top-grade component in your vehicle. Number 4. Ford Escape Fusion Fiesta Automatic Shift Knob. Tired of a worn-out shift knob diminishing your driving experience? Refresh your Ford's interior with our premium automatic shift knob, engineered for a flawless fit and feel. Perfectly compatible with Ford Escape 2013 to 2015, Fusion/Mondeo, and Fiesta models. This sleek black and silver replacement, part number DG9Z7210KD, instantly elevates your cabin's aesthetic. Designed for direct replacement, installation is incredibly straightforward, letting you revitalize your interior quickly. While it's a simple upgrade for most, professional installation ensures absolute precision and peace of mind. Restore that factory-fresh touch and enjoy smooth, precise gear changes once again. Just double-check your vehicle's compatibility before ordering for a truly effortless enhancement. Number 3. Ford Shifter Cable Bushing Repair Kit. Experiencing frustratingly loose gear shifts or struggling to get your Ford into the right gear? Worn shifter cable bushings are a common culprit, diminishing your driving experience and even posing a safety risk. Our Ford Shifter Cable Bushing Repair Kit is your precision-engineered solution. Crafted from high-quality, wear-resistant PA plastic, this durable bushing is built to restore smooth, precise gear changes, effectively eliminating those annoying shifting problems. It's a perfect, direct replacement for specific Ford Edge, Fusion, Escape, Transit Connect, and C-Max models, ensuring correct component alignment, just like OEM. Replace part numbers KV6Z, 7K340, A or DG9Z, 7S004, A with confidence. Save on costly repairs and regain confident, effortless shifting. Drive safer, drive smoother. Number 2. Motorcraft XT11QDC Transmission Fluid Guide. Keeping your vehicle running smoothly is all about making the right choices. And when it comes to your transmission, Motorcraft XT11QDC Transmission Fluid is the expert-recommended solution. This isn't just fluid. It's a shield for your drivetrain, offering exceptional protection against wear and tear. Crafted with innovative manufacturing techniques, XT11QDC is engineered to be the perfect lubricant solution, ensuring consistently smooth shifts and extending the life of your critical components. You're not just getting fluid, you're getting peace of mind. Our substantial package ensures you have ample fluid for a comprehensive service, guaranteeing complete coverage and unmatched reliability. Trust Motorcraft XT11QDC to keep your transmission performing optimally, mile after dependable mile. Number 1. Amazon's overall pick. When it comes to your vehicle's longevity, don't compromise. Introducing Amazon's overall pick, the genuine Motorcraft transmission fluid, XT105Q3LV. As experts, we know that precise engineering is paramount, and this fluid delivers. Specially formulated to meet rigorous OEM standards, it ensures unparalleled protection against wear and heat, guaranteeing buttery smooth shifts and responsive performance mile after mile. Forget guesswork. This essential auto accessory, conveniently packaged at approximately 9.23 pounds for easy handling, is designed for optimal transmission health. Choosing Motorcraft means choosing confidence, safeguarding your investment, and preventing costly repairs. Give your transmission the premium care it deserves with this top-rated fluid. So, that sums up my 2014 Ford Fusion transmission. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great